Hi, we're at Silverstone this weekend with WeAreUoN. We're driving an autonomous race vehicle today.
Formula Student is an engineering competition that brings together different students from different faculties, ranging from engineering to computer science. This is a global competition that happens across different countries, and in the UK, it's happening in the Silverstone racetrack.
We're at Silverstone!
We bring engineering students as well as computer science students to come together to code an autonomous racing system to race around the Silverstone racetrack. Within Formula Student, there's 4 different sub-teams within our team. So for starters, there's business and marketing, there's path planning, there's perception, and then there's control. I'm the head of business and marketing. Business and marketing involves actually securing funding and grants to be able to recruit our engineers, as well as operational charges. So being able to actually enter the race, being able to go to Silverstone and actually secure the car itself, so the race car that we're driving, as well as that doing operational things such as fitting the sensors, doing the LiDAR sensors, having the cameras and gear to be actually racing our car autonomously.
We finished our business presentation yesterday and we got really good feedback. He said that our presentation styles were really good. And then we got the car moving with the wheels.
Hi, my name's Tyler. I'm the perception lead of Formula Student AI Nottingham. Perception is essentially the eyes of the car. So we work with the camera and the sensors on board in order to determine where the cones are placed. To do this, we've trained a YOLO model, so it's machine learning. And with that, we then integrate with the other sensors to determine the exact positions of the cone in a global space. That data is then passed on to path planning, who determine the path.
Hi, my name is Varshil. I'm the path planning lead of the Formula Students Nottingham AI team. Essentially, path planning is the brains of the car. So this is where we get information from the eyes, the perception team, and we map out the data onto the simulator. So we know where the cones are, and we find out the midpoints using mathematical modeling such as Delaunay's triangulation. Once we have the midpoints, we find out the most optimal route around the track using algorithms such as RRT, and essentially we pass that data onto the control team, which actually carry out the physical operations on the car.
Hi, I'm James. So I'm lead of the controls. So we are the muscles of the car, i.e. we take the information from path planning and we convert that to steering commands and throttle commands.
The Formula Student project has been sponsored by 3 different groups. First being the School of Computer Science, as well as the Faculty of Engineering. They have helped us to be able to actually enter the race and paid our race entry fee. This means that we can actually go to Silverstone and have a team at Silverstone, as well as be able to have a car there and be able to race around the Silverstone racetrack for race day. As well as that, we've got help from the Cascade Fund. So the Cascade Fund is a group of alumni students to be able to help student ventures within the university. They have helped us to be able to do operational fees, as well as being able to procure sensors, as well as actually making it to race day. So within Formula Student, we've gained a lot of real-world experience, as well as being able to work in a large team. Having a huge team to be able to work on one deliverable, to be able to actually go to race day is really important and crucial. So hitting deadlines was really important for us. As well as that, we did weekly sprints and weekly retrospectives to be able to see if we've hit those deadlines, which is a really important skill for engineers to be able to go into the workplace, being ready to be able to hit those deadlines and go and actually see what we've done, what progress we've made, and what improvements we can do. Some of our alumni have used this knowledge that they've learned within Formula Student to be able to go on to race control engineering at Aston Martin.